All right, so let's do an example with the TVM solver where we have regular deposits. So we want to find the amount in our savings plan after 4 years. Our APR is going to be 5%. If the problem doesn't specify, assume that we're compounding monthly for these. That's generally the case. And then we're going to make monthly payments, right? Regular deposits of 250 bucks. So N is our total number of compounds. So if we're making these deposits for 4 years, but the compounds are monthly, right? Then we're depositing monthly rather. We're ultimately doing 4 times 12, so 48 total compounds in there. Our interest percentage, right, is 5%. We're going to leave that as 5, so don't convert it to a decimal like you would in some of the formulas. PV, our present value, if we don't have money in the account yet, that's just 0. PMT, our regular payment or a regular deposit, that would be the 250. And keep in mind, if you have your payment as being positive and your present value as being 0 or positive, your future value is going to come out as negative. So that's basically accounting for you're putting money into the account and then taking it back out. So one direction is considered positive and the other is considered negative. We can certainly make our payment negative, like money's flying out of our pocket, and then our future value would be positive. It's coming back to us. So just kind of keep the positive and negative in order. Future value is the thing that we're ultimately solving for, right? We want to know what the balance is at the end of the 4 years. So future value is what we're solving for. How many payments per year or deposits per year? We're doing those monthly. So we're going to say 12. And if you punch that in, it's going to automatically assume you're making 12 compounds a year. Again, usually we are, but here we said compounded monthly. So for sure, it's 12 per year. We want to make our payments at the end. And then for this future value, this is where we hit alpha enter. That'll get us to solve this problem. And so if we do that, we end up with, looks like 13,253 and 72 cents. Right. Again, because of our payments were positive, this is going to come out as negative. But what we should know is that the positive version of this is really our balance. Or if you decided instead you're going to make your payment negative, then the future value will come out as positive. So either way, we should have a little over 13,000 in the account.